to like it?
Mhm.
You don't like it?
Huh?
Do you like it?
Yeah. This is our fancy cat.
Cucumber?
Cucumber. Name is Poop, Mom. Name is Poop. I don't care. You just pet me. I just hold rock and roll. Rock and roll, not Poop. I don't know how I am. I don't care if I just do these chickens. I have these chickens. And stop it! I don't want you. Stop it! I love you, girl. I love you. Mama's here. We love your mom. Mama's just pretty.
You need to be careful.
Mom, thanks. To wash them.
Yeah, we wash them.